There are growing discussions regarding artificial intelligence, or AI, and a large portion of it has been warnings about where the technology is headed, including comments from some experts that it will take most jobs or outright replace humans altogether. As has been the case with new technologies, there are always those who fear technological advancement or make predictions of a calamitous nature that never materializes. What we know from history is that new technologies adopted on a mass scale by industries and sectors displace some workers while creating workforce demands in other areas. It's a shift of knowledge and skills that requires upskilling for existing employees and training the future workforce in higher demand areas of study. For example, in the advanced manufacturing sector where robots are deployed, new workforce competencies now include robot programming and maintenance, sensor knowledge, data management, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. Don't fear what's to come. Prepare for it. Enroll in the robotics program at El Camino College today.